Hi everybody, welcome to this new video for the GenAI Nerd channel. And in this video I want to kind of give you an update on how you can really create very good prompts for ChatGPT 5. And I've done an earlier video about this where I introduced the prompt optimizer that OpenAI has developed and that you can access via their developer platform. Now this is a bit complex because you need to go to the developer platform, you need to have some credit, so this is all a bit complex. But now actually I found an alternative that makes it much more easier to do prompt optimization. And it's actually something that I found on another YouTube channel, namely the channel of Jeff Su, which is actually a great channel if you want to get updates on GenAI. So I would highly recommend to subscribe to it. I will put the link to the channel in the description. And I simply want to demonstrate the suggestion of Jeff, how you can easily optimize prompts by using actually another prompt in ChatGPT. So let me show how it works. Yes, so now I'm in my ChatGPT, and so let me show you the prompt that can help you to really optimize a prompt that you write yourself. Yes, so this is the template where you're saying you are an expert prompt engineer specializing in creating prompts for AI language models, particularly GPT-5. Your task is to take my prompt and transform it into a well-crafted and effective prompt that will elicit optimal responses. Format your output prompt with a code block for clarity and easy copy pasting. Here is my initial prompt, and now I have to add my initial prompt. So now imagine that I want to write a prompt to find a company description. So now I can say, please create for me a company description for the company Upfest situated in Berlin. Yeah, so this is not a very good prompt because I don't give context, I don't give goals, but now this prompt will actually create a much better prompt. Yeah? So let's take a look at the output that is generated. So now you see I get as a kind of code block a very sophisticated prompt as the OpenAI optimizer would do it. Yeah? So you see here I now get a much better kind of explained prompt. So now I can copy that code, go to a new chat, and then I can simply paste this optimized prompt into the chat, and now I can press execute, and now it will generate for me a very nice company description for the company Upfest. And you see it's already creating it, and indeed, and we see that we now get a very sophisticated company description. Yeah, so here I think with this kind of prompt template, you can really very easily start optimizing your own prompts without that you have to go to the OpenAI developer platform. You can just stay in ChatGPT 5, so I think that's very valuable. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you, so thanks for your attention. Bye.